And I'm out here looking on this little guy. He's a uniface. Slim pickings, lots of chips showing everywhere, but so far we haven't found much. Some pretty gnarled stuff. And then this thing, which was on its edge like that, and I just flicked it out of the mud, just so happened to be something. There's something else down here. Looks like a butt or something. Kind of small. You could probably see it. Please go close. Alright. Alright, let's see what she is. Okay, you ready? Extraction. Is it whole? Ooh. It's long. It's a long birdie. Wow. Crazy. Little white thing. Itty bitty little sharp nappy things on it. How did that not get just destroyed?
Oh my goodness gracious, look at the beautiness of this thing. It is so beautiful. I mean, wow.
How would that not get broke? I mean, really.
That kind of looks like, looks like it was complete, but then...
Yeah, it looks like a new little niche,
It looks like a new one.
Wow, look at the napping on that
A
beast.
And that is probably one of the most finest pieces I've seen for a while.
Wow. Now he's just down here in the fluff, in these big ass butt rocks down here. And I thought, there's no way. Wow.
And what part was showing?
This
side?
end.
Wow.
The end, right down here, the butt was actually hanging out about a 1/2 inch to a 1/4 inch. Out from underneath a big rock, by the way.